love how the hardest spot to get to is the drums. It is now 1:30, 1:31 even, and we have drummers on a ride. Wow.
It's not focusing on my face. Set up effects on the wireless mic. Elvis Radio. Welcome everybody into Radio.
I look so
It's like, so
what's up?
What's up, guys? Muffins on.
I feel like my cat because he has thumbs.
Your cat has thumbs.
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
I was supposed to bring the justice. I was supposed.
But instead I fed him a liquid explosives.
Okay, it is 12:30. This machine. And then I've got this one driving the videos for this thing behind me so that everybody can see it on the big screen. And then I've got these big video screens. There's two over there. And then this one over here. Screen 1, screen 2, if I am all those folks over there. Screen 3, if I'm all these folks over here. That looks pretty dope. So also while that's happening, I've got another system that we are testing, which we're gonna try and make work. And that is the video camera clipped to a guitar. So that is up here. So basically, when that is all put together, we should be able to see everything this person does, whoever that is. I'm thinking maybe Kai.
Like it has to be there. That has to be burnt.
Yeah.
Like if you're marshmallow.
So empty. Half an hour before this started. Look how fun. This is the headmaster's area. It's Dr. P's zone. How fun.
Hey.
October 17th, 1985.
Right after this class, it'll be fall break for most people.
I'm sure that has nothing to do with the fact that a bunch of people have already emailed me saying sick.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the fact that people are sick.
I know. Fall break-itis is really
It's a serious disease.
serious. It's really going around. You know, I was feeling a little under the weather, but I'm here. See, that's the kind of dedication we need. There's a concert next week. Sponsored by Cheez-Its.
Sponsored by Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its,
Cheez-Its
please
sponsor
sponsor us. Please.
I love Cheez-Its.
Let's come back, Evan. Oliver.
The wave of the future.
Alright, so this is the crew today. Hi. Hey. And we have, believe it or not, with our 4 drummers, we were out of drummers. So Armando's on drums today. Woohoo! Matt is doing his first sound check. Oh, zooms in.
Alright, thank you, Marlon. Boss. Alright, Moss, I heard you have effects. Can you try one of those?
Evan's first sound check.
Swap the quarter outputs
He
to see if
did
it's an
it.
issue with the cable.
Hi, Cam.
This is a prototype. We're hoping to have more of these.
It has a really nice neck dive on it.
Yeah?
Nice feature on it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
It like throws off the balance.
Until in the middle of the show, you accidentally drop it and then G. One, two, three, four. Read my mind. Do what I want you to do, not what I tell you to do. Okay. Nice job, Armando! You know, let that be a lesson to you. You can always replace a drummer. It's okay. Not only that, apparently you can replace like 4 of them. So, you know, I mean, no big deal.
What's it?
Okay. All right. Lesson learned. We don't need you so much. All the power. We're going to tear down. First, tear down your stuff that you're taking with you. Pack that up and get ready to go. And then come back and we'll pack up the tables, the chairs, and any like large pieces of equipment like the drum sets. We're going to move all 3 of them over to 155. Okay? All right.
We've all gotten so spoiled not having to set up and tear down every rehearsal. I mean, we're doing it. We got this. Well, that's how I feel today. I just started a sentence and then didn't finish it.
Yeah,
I'm tired.
I'm so tired, dude. I have a show tonight and then I have a show tomorrow.
Oh,
But I'm excited, but I'm also like,
no, I know. Like,
You know,
it's like,
yeah.
it's like, yay, like, I get to, like, it's a privilege to be, like, stressed about this, but you're still, like,
oh my god, I
tired.
just want to
You're still-
sleep.
you're
Yeah.
still-
Also, your fit slays. The
Thank
shoes,
you.
the scarf. You very like Gilmore Girls.
Thank
Autumn.
you. I just have the record on in case something interesting happens, I guess. Ace? Is this yours? Whoa, wait. Wait. Who wore it better? I don't know. I really
That's
vote in the
crazy.
comments. All right, go through.
Hurrah!
Your strut. This kind of hurts. Wait. Just kidding, I'm strong. I'm getting sentimental, like I'm thinking about it. You know, like sometimes I've watched like videos of like, you know, like high schoolers or college students in like the early 2000s and like, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. I wish I had that documented. You know what I just realized? We're documenting it right now. In
probably, like, get out of
10
the way.
years, in 10 years, this is gonna be like such a time capsule.
Yeah, no, dude, going back when I'm 30 watching this ensemble vlogs.
We'll be 30. Oh my god.
Crazy.
Wow.
Imagine, where will we be in 10 years?
Dr. Pete, set a reminder on your phone.
In 10 years, we all have to watch this video.
Yeah,
Dude, we need to
ask
have,
us
like,
how we're doing. Ooh, okay, I want to ask, let's ask our future selves a question. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
What are you up to? What's different about your life that you didn't expect? Are you green? Thank you. What else? Do you have kids?
Such an important question.
Is the climate still okay to live in?
Who was
Are we
president?
still alive? I hope so. How's it smell? Nice. Are you still Meadows? Do you get to make art as a living, full time? Are you surviving? Are you? I feel like you're gonna surprise me, but like I'll be happier for it. But I hope we're still making art in some way for a living. I hope we didn't settle for something that makes us unhappy. And if we did,
Oh God, it's some influence.
Wake up and turn that around, okay? I'm talking to myself in 10 years. Matt, where do you think you'll be in 10 years?
Hopefully, embodying my true inner self. The Karate Kid.
Okay. We'll check in.
Winning a Grammy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, manifesting it.
Where do you think you're gonna be in 10 years?
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Do you have a guess?
I guess. I don't
Even
know.
like, if there was no limits, your wildest dreams, where would you like to be?
I got distracted. I
I don't know, man. I just don't think about that, you know. I live in the present or something. Final answer.
Our modern monk.
In 10 years, I'll be 57. Definitely won't be working this hard.
But what about your kids?
Goodness, in 10 years, yeah, my eldest daughter will be 22. Yeah, so, yeah, I mean, I could be a grandpa by then.
You could be.
Could be.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I don't know. I'm excited for what the future holds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandpa. Grandpa Paul.
Grandpa Dr. P.
Grandpa Dr.
Be a musician, they said. Imagine the adventures you'll have, they said. Meanwhile, this is my life.